مرحبا.
Welcome to our channel, Learn with Safa. In our 5 words a day series, today we're going to learn the words related to clothes. Are you ready? Let's start. The first one,
ملابس.
clothes. Let's repeat.
ملابس.
Clothes. Let's see an example.
أنا أحب التسوق لشراء الملابس.
I love shopping for clothes. Let's repeat.
أنا أحب التسوق لشراء الملابس.
I love shopping for clothes. The next one,
قميص.
shirt. Let's repeat.
قميص.
Shirt. Let's see an example.
هي كوت قمصانها.
She ironed her shirts. Let's repeat.
هي كوت قمصانها.
She ironed her shirts. The next one,
سترة.
sweater. Let's repeat.
سترة.
Sweater. Let's see an example.
هي تحيك سترة.
She is knitting a sweater. Let's repeat.
هي تحيك سترة.
She is knitting a sweater. The next one,
حذاء.
shoe. Let's repeat.
حذاء.
Shoe. Let's see an example.
حذاؤها متسخ.
Her shoes are dirty. Let's repeat.
حذاؤها متسخ.
Her shoes are dirty. The next one,
وشاح.
scarf. Let's repeat.
وشاح.
Scarf. Let's see an example.
يعجبني وشاحك.
I like your scarf. Let's repeat.
يعجبني وشاحك.
I like your scarf. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos.
مع السلامة.